fake Christmas tree lot so people wouldn't have to drive all the way out to nowhere and waste a whole Saturday?
They invented them, Russ, because people forgot how to have a fun, old-fashioned family Christmas and are satisfied with scrawny, dead, overpriced trees that have no special meaning.
Oh, oh, oh. Merry Christmas. This is the Christmas tree hunt in progress in the Sierra Mountain foothills. Look, that looks like the Griswold tree.
There it is.
Here it is. The Hill Family Christmas Tree.
The Griswold family Christmas tree.
This is a natural growing silvertip pine tree. What do you think of this tree?
Isn't it a little big?
It's not big, it's just full.
Yeah, it's a little fuller on that side, it's a little thinner on this side, but...
Good for the corner.
Yeah, well, or that side could go forward toward the street. And the other side could be towards the living room.
Dad, that thing wouldn't fit in our yard.
Not going in our yard, Russ. It's going in our living room.
Commence the cutting.
You guys want a picture before the cut?
Oh, that's probably a good idea.
Dad, did you bring a saw?